My name is Sam Kachikian. I'm the building manager here at 515 South Figueroa. I'm with Davis & Young, and we manage the building. We operate it basically from top to bottom, manage our tenants and manage the facilities. This is a boutique Class A office building located here on the corner of 5th and Figueroa in downtown Los Angeles. The intent of this project was to provide an amenity for our tenants to use as a conference center, so a place to gather. Not every office has a conference room that can accommodate up to 150 people or smaller, right? The wide variety of the use of the space to be bifurcated between the two. And it's been a great hit. It's been a great hit. Cleartech played a huge role in the design of the space in coordination with Sherman Design Group. They put together the audio visual, right? So I like to think of it as the brains and kind of the smarts of the room. It's a very smart room. You can conference center globally from here if you had to. It's very cool to see the technology that they've, input with the cameras and the microphones and the speakers and everything else, and then the displays and the smart screen. So it's been great. But they're the brains behind the operation. With the design, they were able to put in a Zona Smart Wall, which basically it's movable. It's on a track, and in coordination with sensors, you can actually split the room into two separate rooms. So either two tenants could be using the room, or one tenant could be having two separate meetings, right? A break-off area. And it's pretty neat in the sense that there's two screens in the room, one main screen in the front, one smaller screen in the back. When the wall closes, you can actually separate what's being displayed on both screens. Cleartech was an absolute dream to work with. Very helpful, very accommodating, very professional, very clean. I really liked working with Cleartech, and I'd love to work with them again. They were awesome. They also provide excellent training and ex post facto work too. So it's not like they deliver you product and then you're just sitting here going, how do I use it all? They offer training for us as a management team. They offer training for our tenants, and they also offer continuous tech support as well. So if there is an issue, you can call them. It's not that once the project is finished, you never talk to your vendor again. You're still talking to them, and they're very helpful. They were very clear in their delivery and design of the space. When I say design, I mean layout of the technology. But then also it's like I said, I think the most valuable, quality that they brought to the project was once it was done, we weren't in the dust. Like I said, they really helped us with the technical side of things, right? It's a very smart room. I would like to say smarter than myself. So they were able to help me and us and our team learn how to use it. I think it looks great. Our tenants love it, right? At the end of the day, we didn't build this for us. We built this for our tenants, and we have gotten nothing but great feedback. And to the point where it's a very smart room, but very simple to use. Very seldom, right, knock on wood, but very seldom do we ever get questions on how to use it, right? It's very simple, it's very user-friendly, but still very smart. So it's not intimidating to the end user, which is a huge plus.